Imagine your body as a high-performance skyscraper, thousands of miles of plumbing, your arteries are pumping life to every floor. But deep in the basement, a pressure valve is stuck, the pipes are groaning, the walls are thinning, and the worst part, there's no alarm, no smoke, no smell of burning. This is hypertension, the silent killer. For decades, we've been told the only way to fix it is a lifetime of bitter pills or a diet that tastes like cardboard. But the American Heart Association and Science Daily have recently highlighted two breakthroughs that are shaking the foundation of modern medicine. One is a 5-minute biological reset button. The other is a simple kitchen swap that almost nobody is using. Together, they represent the ultimate survival hack for the human heart. Pull up a chair and quiet your mind. I'm Lucas, and this is Mind and Marvel. To understand the fix, you have to understand the problem. Think of your blood pressure like a garden hose. High blood pressure isn't just a number, it's physical damage. It's like turning the water pressure so high that the rubber starts to fray. Every beat of your heart is a hammer strike against your internal walls. Over time, your body tries to reinforce those walls. They get thicker, tougher, less flexible. Eventually, the skyscraper's plumbing can't handle the load. That's when the marvel of human engineering meets its breaking point. Stroke, heart failure, kidney collapse. But what if we could attack this pressure from two sides? One from the inside out and one from the outside in. Let's start with the inside fix. It's called IMST, Inspiratory Muscle Strength Training. Your nervous system is like a car. Most of us are driving with our foot slammed on the gas, the sympathetic nervous system. Our fight or flight is stuck on high. Your blood pressure stays high because your brain thinks you're constantly running from a predator. But your diaphragm, that large muscle under your lungs, is actually a direct hardline to your brain's brake pedal, the vagus nerve. Researchers at the University of Colorado Boulder found that by putting resistance on your breath, literally making your breathing muscles work harder, you send a high-priority signal to the brain. It's like whispering to the skyscraper's master computer. The threat is gone. Lower the gates. Relax the pipes. In clinical trials, participants did just 30 breaths a day, just 5 minutes. The result? A drop in systolic blood pressure of about 9 points. That's more effective than many medications and more potent than 30 minutes of daily aerobic exercise. But the inside fix is only half the battle. Now we look at the outside fix, the chemistry of your kitchen. We've used salt to build empires and preserve food for millennia. But inside your body, it's a double agent. To understand why, you have to understand the sponge effect. Sodium is a molecular sponge. When you have too much in your blood, it pulls water out of your cells and into your arteries. Sodium turns the volume up until the pipes are screaming. For decades, the advice was, eat bland food. But humans are biologically wired to crave salt. Asking someone to quit salt is like asking them to quit breathing. This is where the marvel comes in. Scientists recently highlighted a salt swap. It's not a chemical concoction, it's potassium. If sodium is the gas pedal for your blood pressure, potassium is the brake. Potassium helps your kidneys flush out the excess sodium and tells your blood vessel walls to relax. Science Daily recently highlighted a massive study involving over 20,000 people. One group kept their regular salt, the other made the swap. The salt swap group saw a 14% drop in strokes and a 12% drop in major cardiovascular events. In medicine, those numbers are superhuman. It's a level of protection usually only seen with high-cost prescription drugs. If breathing for 5 minutes and swapping your salt is this effective, why isn't it the first thing your doctor mentions? The truth is, science is often faster than the system. We've been conditioned to think health is expensive and difficult. We think we need marvelous new technologies or robotic heart valves. But these fixes are surprising because they are too simple to monetize. They are survival tactics hidden in plain sight. They remind us that our bodies are self-regulating ecosystems that just need the right signal. We spend our lives looking for complex solutions to our most terrifying problems. But sometimes the superhuman fix is a combination of the air in your lungs and the crystals on your table. If 5 minutes of breath and a simple salt swap can change the pressure of your life. What else is your body capable of that you haven't unlocked yet? Are you ready to take control of your internal skyscraper? Let us know in the comments. Would you try these fixes, or do you trust the pill-first system more? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mind and Marvel. Stay curious, stay superhuman.